In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to upload a zip file to GitHub. This is a straightforward way to add a compressed file to your repository without extracting it first. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your GitHub dashboard. Look at the left panel where you'll find a list of your repositories. Click on the repository where you want to upload your zip file. Once you're inside the repository, locate the Add File button near the top of the page. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From the menu, select Upload Files. You'll now be taken to the File Upload page. Here, you can either drag and drop your zip file into the upload area or click Choose Your Files to select it manually. Go ahead and click Choose Your Files. A file browser will open on your computer. Navigate to the location where your zip file is saved, select it and click Open. Your zip file will now appear in the upload area, ready to be added to your repository. Scroll down and click Commit Changes to upload the file. GitHub will process the upload and save the zip file to your repository. Once the commit is complete, you'll see the zip file listed alongside the other files in your repository. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a zip file to your GitHub repository. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next.